Yeah, so my tactic in when I comment, when someone leaves a thoughtful comment, every single time I make sure to go connect with them if I'm not already connected already. So if once as soon as after that, after I basically, hey, they left a thoughtful comment, then once I've connected with them, I finish the connection that goes through, and then I message them and I said, hey, thanks for the thoughtful comment. You really left that was a lot of value that you left there. Would you be interested in doing a webinar? Or just maybe talking or whatever you want to do, and then just going one step further within that relationship, just so I can really really just keep continue and basically have more relationships with more people, because that's the end goal. The end goal is to really establish and really increase that strength of the relationship with other people. And the way I've been doing that is basically when someone comments a super valuable comment, I connect with them, message them saying, hey, I love to connect with you. I want to get to know you, and then just continue that relationship and make it stronger.